Okay, here's the leak. Over here, you can see the leak. And I've got the wrench here. I'm going to turn off the gas. Gas deal's over here. There's a hole over here. And on this particular one, it's kind of hard to get to. When this hole lines up with this hole, you turn the gas off. This is in line with the valve, so this needs to be turned 90 degrees to the pipe, this fitting. This hole will line up to here to turn the gas off. So I'm going to put this on here, just like that. And I'm going to put the wrench on here. I had to dig down in the ground some to get at this. I'm going to toss this over. And put the wrench on the wrong way. And it should stop bubbling over here as the pressure drops. Take a little while. And just for good measure, I'm going to go ahead and stick a padlock on here. That's just because I'm the only one working on it. I just want to, I got to check something else I got to shut off. But that's just a good measure to stick a padlock on there if you're goofing around.